Hi boys and girls, this week we're going to be using number lines as our strategy to help us subtract. So when we subtract, we always start with the big number and then we count back whatever number is next. So on the first one, we're going to start on 6 and count back 2. So put your pencil on 6 and count back 2 spots. What number did you land on? 4. So write 4 in the bubble. Okay. The next one is 5 minus 3. So we're going to put our pencil on 5 and count back 3 spots. What did we land on? 2. The next one says 7 minus 4. So put your pencil on 7, count back 4 steps. What number did you land on? 3. The next problem has 3 minus 3. So we have 3 and we're going to take away all 3. So start on 3 and count back 3 hops. What number did we land on? 0. So anytime you have a number that's subtracting itself, the answer will always be 0. Okay, let's look at the next one. 4 minus 1. So put your pencils on 4 and hop back 1 spot. What did you land on? 3. So let's write 3 in the bubble. So we started on 4, we went back 1. 5 minus 2. 5, count back 2. 1, 2. We landed on 3. 10 minus 9. So we have 10, and we're going to count back 9 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We landed on 1. So these numbers are called number neighbors, and when you're subtracting neighbors, that always is going to equal 1. So you really don't have to count back because you just know that the answer is going to be 1. Okay, let's do 8. Count back 5. What did you land on? 3. 2 more. 6 minus 2. We stopped on 4. And the last one is 7, and we're going to count back 3. We landed on 4. Very nice. See, we did it right here. So let's turn it over on the back. Now we have some numbers that are a little bit higher than what we did on the front page. These ones go up to 20. So look at the first problem. Remember, we just barely did this one. 10 minus, or we know is 1. And I also told you that when two numbers on the number line that are neighbors, when you subtract them, the answer is always going to be 1. Okay, 17, and we're going to count back 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 12. All right, boys and girls, what I want you to do is I want you to push pause on the video, and I want you to try the rest of the page, and then when you're done, push play and check your answers with mine. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, did you check your answer? Did you do the problems? Let's check them. 11 minus 6, what is that answer? It's 5. 13 minus 7, 6. 15 minus 8, 7. 20 minus 9 is 11. 12 minus 4 is 8. 14 minus 5 is 9. And 18 minus 9 is a backwards double, and that answer is 9. So you should have been able to do all of these problems on your own with the number line, and go ahead and turn it into your teacher.